Thank you for tuning in to TimePassages tutorial videos brought to you by Astrograph.com. In today's video, I will show you how to save a report with your TimePassages software on a Mac computer. The first thing you'll want to do is open your TimePassages program. So bring your mouse to the toolbar, find your purple moon icon, and double-click on it to open the program. Then you will want to have the natal chart on the screen for the person you want to create a report for, and then save the report. If you do not have the natal chart on the screen, bring your mouse up to the top of the screen to the TimePassages toolbar, select File, select New to create a new chart, or Open to open a chart you already have saved on your computer. In today's example, I will be using Jerry Garcia. We will create a natal report for him. So we have the natal chart on the screen. Then we'll bring the mouse up to the top of the screen, select Interpretations, then Natal, and here's our natal report. Now to save the report, we'll bring the mouse to the top of the screen. We'll select File, then we will go down to Print, and on the next screen at the bottom left, you can select that down arrow and you can save as a PDF. Now you can rename the report, or you can leave it as the name that appears, and you can save it wherever you would like in your computer. Since this is a sample chart, I will save it in the sample chart folder. But you can use that up and down arrow to the right to save it somewhere else. You can save it in your main chart folder. You could save it on your desktop, wherever it's easiest for you to find. So once you've made those decisions, go ahead and click Save, and your report has been saved. Now you can email a friend or a family member and attach this PDF report and send it to them for them to enjoy. Thank you for watching our TimePassages tutorial video. For more helpful videos, please visit us at Astrograph.com. Enjoy your day.